GPS has made our lives easier. From tracking routes, food deliveries, rides to location-based AR games, it has made everything very easy. Although in hindsight, there are some minus points too. Like if you're concerned about your privacy and app tracking you without your consent, or just want to fake your location to play AR-based games, browse the internet, etc. from any other country. This is where a very useful tool known as MockPogo comes into play. In today's video, I'm going to give you a detailed guide on how to use this tool, walk you through its features, and help you fix the common Pokemon Go location error 12 issue. So let's dive right into the video. You can use MockPogo to teleport your GPS location anywhere in the world in just one click without even jailbreaking your iOS or rooting your Android device. It is now possible to play location-based AR games such as Pokemon Go without leaving your home. Now, if you're experiencing Pokemon Go location error 12, we have got a solution for you. First, you have to download and install this free tool called iWare Go Genius. Once it is installed, open the tool and select this option called Pogo. Now, it will ask you to log in with your Apple ID. Connect it to your iOS device and install Pogo Genius. Once Pogo Genius is installed, use MockPogo to change your location in Pokemon Go. Just search for the location you want and click Go, and your Pokemon Go location will be updated, and that's how you can fix this location error 12 in Pokemon Go. Now let's see how easy it is to fake your location on any iOS or Android device using this tool. As obvious, first you have to download and install this tool on your Mac or Windows PC, as it is supported by both the platforms. I'll be leaving a download link in the description down below. Once the setup is done, open the application and it will ask you to select the type of device that you want to use. Now in my case, I'm using an iPhone, so I will select the iOS option. Now it will guide you on how you can enable the developer mode on your device, which is required for this tool to work perfectly. So just follow the steps shown in the screenshots. Similarly, when you will select Android, it will guide you on how you can enable the USB debugging mode. In the next window, you will find your current location on the map. Now at the top right corner, you will get multiple modes such as teleport mode that will change your location to the chosen place. Next one is two-stop mode that will let you stimulate a route between 2 points. At last we have multi-stop mode, which is quite useful if you wish to visit multiple locations along a path. You also have the ability to move your location using the joystick that is located at the bottom left. Now to activate the teleport mode, click on the first icon in the top right corner and type the destination you want. Once you start typing, the available locations are suggested. Finally, a pop-up card will show on the map in the destination. Simply click on Go button to teleport, and that's it. It barely took me a minute to mark the location. The accuracy of this GPS spoofing tool is one of the most attractive features that I found. Using this tool, you will be able to accurately fake your Android or iOS device location without worrying about the services finding it. You can select almost any location you want and instantly make your device output the location you have chosen. Also, sometimes it's not just standing at a place that you want to do. If you want to stimulate movement, this tool can do that as well by using the two-spot and multi-spot mode. You can choose your starting and finishing position as well as the mode of travel. The software will stimulate the GPS movement as legitimate as possible. You can also choose how many times your GPS should fake traveling between the 2 points, and even you can select multiple locations at a time by using multi-spot mode. This tool will not only let you simply fake a movement but will also allow you to stimulate different speeds of travel. You could choose between different speeds available on the tool. This makes it possible for you to accurately fake the GPS location just like you are traveling in a real life. As for the compatibility, this tool will work on almost any application or service that utilizes the GPS location. It will work with all AR-based games and applications such as Pokemon Go without any trouble. The advanced AI will make sure that the application can't find the fake GPS and works flawlessly just like you are performing the action in real life. Now, MockPogo is available on a subscription-based model and has 4 types of subscriptions: monthly, quarterly, annually, and lifetime. The monthly plan will cost you around $9.95 a month. The quarterly plan costs you $6.65 monthly, and the annual plan costs you $3.33 monthly. There is also a lifetime plan that will cost you $79.95 for a lifetime license. All the plans allow you to use this tool for up to 15 devices and 1 PC. Also, right now there is a limited time coupon and you will get 20% off on any plan you choose. Now when it comes to availability, it is available for both Windows and Mac. However, there cannot be cross functionality between 2 devices. A license activated on Windows cannot be used on a Mac and vice versa. At last, I just wanted to say that if you want to spoof your location without having to jailbreak or root your device, Mokpogo Location Spoofer is one of the best tools out there. It provides you with quite a few tools to make your experience as pleasant as possible. Using this tool is quite safe due to its low detection rate. So guys, that's it for this video. I hope you have found it useful. If you do, then do consider subscribing and hit that bell icon so that you never miss any future videos from Extreme Droid.